Hello everyone, in this video I will show you I fixed the Instagram login error. So basically this message is not really that common, but Instagram usually displays the try again later message when there's a momentary problem or a technical difficulty with the platform. It serves as a safety precautions to guard against excessive requests on the platform or to control server loads during periods of high usage. So what you should know if you encounter this is that maybe there is a temporary issue, and then, of course, you need to check Instagram status. You can go to Google and see if it's not really working at this very moment. App updates, you need to update your Instagram. Connection quality, you have to make sure that you're connected to a strong internet connection. But what I'm going to show you right now is this method. This is what we call clear app cache. So all you have to do is to go to Instagram, long press status app info, and then you have to click this storage usage right here, and then you have to click this clear cache. Don't worry, it will just delete temporary files or unnecessary files. It will not affect your files here on your Instagram. So once you have tapped this clear cache, what you're going to do next is you have to exit your Instagram, and then this time you have to go to your Google Play Store. Now you have to go to the search icon right here, tap this, and then search for a VPN. So, like what I've mentioned earlier, it could be because of the internet connection. So, temporarily, you can connect to a VPN. For example, this Turbo VPN here, install this one. And once done, then all you have to do is to click open, and you can find a server here. So, this time I'm going to connect to, let's just say, Singapore. And then after that, I'm going to open my Instagram. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like. This is Turbo VPN, but actually you can select other VPN if you wanted to. So I will be connected to Singapore, and actually you can choose if you want here. But basically, all you have to do is to make sure that you're connected to a strong internet, and then you can open your Instagram. So that's it. You just have to clear cache and then connect to a strong VPN, update your Instagram application, and then see if this method works. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and please do comment there whatever you want us to do. If you want us to create a new tutorials, please do just comment and suggest. Thank you so much, and see you again in our next video tutorials.